Hi, so this is I Don't DIY number 2. I have actually started not doing DIY, and this is the first thing, which is a unfortunately I didn't think to do a before picture, which is very silly. Well, the point is there was nothing here before, and the reason why I did this work was I didn't have a doorstep, so basically the work was, it cost about 900 quid to get this thing built here, which is covering up my pipes and my electricals, and to get a doorstep. Really straightforward. And the way it works is it's got these two holes. You just put it open. There's my electrical smart meter in there, beeping away. And it just it's one-handed. It's tricky. Foot. There we go. You sort of go in. Need it that corner. Yeah. It's only got a primer coat on it, so I don't know exactly what colour I'm going to do it in. Might be very light grey. I'll do it in the same colour that I paint these. I don't know what it's called. It was the same thing over here. Not down there. That thing down there. That thing there. I can't remember what it's called. Panelling, wall panelling, that's it. Maybe a light grey. The wall will be white. It needs to be sanded down. Absolute disaster. Okay, good night.